Number 10.
The Craig Portable Crosscut helps you make perfect 90-degree and 45-degree cuts across boards using your circular saw. Now you can get professional quality results anywhere you need to cut quickly and easily using Craig guided cutting. The portable crosscut guides the edge of your saw base perfectly straight, but it does much more. The portable crosscut's capabilities start with retractable cut line indicators that position the guide precisely, so you know exactly where your saw blade will cut. The indicators easily adjust to match your saw, so all you have to do is align the indicator with your cut line, and you know the portable crosscut is perfectly positioned to cut at that exact location. Release the spring-loaded lever to retract the indicator out of the way, and you're ready to cut, whether at 90 degrees or 45 degrees. The portable crosscut stays just where you want it to, thanks to Grip Max anti-slip material that keeps a firm grip on the board. Because keeping the blade aligned as you start the cut can be challenging, especially when cutting at 45 degrees, the portable crosscut also features a saw support ledge that keeps your saw base stable at the beginning of the cut. You can cut boards up to 8 inches wide with the portable crosscut, and it works with just about any circular saw, whether the blade is on the left or the right side of the saw. The portable crosscut is designed to deliver guided cuts that exceed your expectations for accuracy, and it's built to last with impact-resistant polymer construction. Because the portable crosscut is from Craig, you're also getting more than just a tool. You're getting a company committed to helping you achieve cutting results and project results that exceed your expectations through the simplicity and certainty of guided cutting. Plus, the portable crosscut is backed by Craig, so you get a complete line of tools, accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the portable crosscut, as well as Craig's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at craigtool.com.
Number 9.
Hi, I'm Craig. I'm here today to talk through the features and the benefits of the new Peanut 2 mini jig from Intelligent Fixings. Introducing the new Peanut 2 mini jig from Intelligent Fixings. The new compact design means you can use the jig wherever you are. It's even supplied in a handy bag for easy transportation. Uses the Peanut 2 connecting system designed to make strong invisible joints. Quick and easy to set up and get going. Self-clamping, invisible connection for 90-degree and 45-degree joints. Joints can be taken apart and reassembled many times without loss of strength. Available as a kit with everything you need to get started.
Number 8. Number 7. Number 6.
The Grabber Pro by Milescraft brings an improved level of safety to any workshop. It's built for use with a table saw, band saw, or router table. Included in the set are 4 diamond grip coated legs that allow for multiple setup configurations that best suit your job. With an elevated profile, the Grabber Pro is designed to glide over the saw blade, keeping your hands safely above the cut. The high-friction grip keeps hold of your workpiece and guides it safely through the cut with contact on both sides of the blade, which helps reduce kickback while adding control. An angled handle helps evenly apply downward, sideways, and forward pressure on the workpiece as you smoothly guide it through the cut. Grabber Pro is also great for ripping thin boards. The included 1/4 and 1/8 inch legs glide along your fence while safely clearing the blade. When even more control and accuracy is required, the right-angled support foot allows the Grabber Pro to safely support itself and balance on tall or thin workpieces. You can also lower the adjustable sacrificial heel to grip the back edge of the board while you cut. This sacrificial piece helps push the workpiece all the way through the cut. Not just for table saws, the Grabber Pro helps provide the same safe results on router tables, band saws, and joiners. Shop safety is no joke, so if you're ready for a serious new safety tool that is welcome in every workshop, get the Grabber Pro today.
Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
Have you ever needed to drill accurate holes on a piece that is too big to move? Have you ever seen a drill press that can be easily carried around? Now introducing the DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig from Bridge City Toolworks. What catches your eye at the first sight of DJ3? Is it the colorful 6061 aircraft grade aluminum alloy? Or is it the bright and vibrant anodized finish? It's a beautiful tool to add to your workshop, and it's rust and wear resistance as well. The bushing has a tolerance of 10 microns, which means every hole drilled using this jig will be incredibly accurate. In order to drill holes accurately and safely, having your workpiece in a vise or clamped to a sturdy bench is strongly recommended. Upon first use, you may need to back out the 2 set screws that hold the beam in place. Position the flip stops on the beam where needed and tighten the set screw with a 2mm hex wrench. Do not over-tighten these screws. Doing so will distort the V-jaw and lead to inaccurate results. The 2mm wrench is conveniently stored in the body of the DJ3 and is held in place with a magnet. Loosen the arm locking knobs. Pull out the left and right out triggers to both sides. The DJ3 drilling jig automatically aligns the bushings with the center line of the workpiece. Choose a bushing and corresponding drill bit. 13 metric bushings and 8 imperial bushings are provided. Loosen the screws on the ends of the body and remove the bushing's locking screw. Insert the bushing into the drilling jig body to ensure that the notches in the bushing and the body are aligned. Tighten down the bushing locking screws to ensure that the bushings are flush with the drilling jig body surface. Finally, tighten the screws on the end of the body and close the outrigger's jaw. Tighten the arm locking knobs. Now you can safely and accurately drill your holes. The DJ3 will also allow for off-center drilling up to 60mm from center. There is laser etch graduation on the back of the adjustable jaw. Set either scale to the width of the desired off-center holes and tighten the locking knobs. Repeat the operation of centering to get the most accurate off-center hole. Besides the vibrant orange appearance, the V-jaws also function well with its many V-grooves. It can hold many different shapes of workpieces. This is a key feature that DJ3 can accomplish while a drill press would not be able to do alone. Regardless of which V-groove on the V-jaw is used, it can be held firmly. Also, the flip stop can always be reached by the workpiece. The DJ3 can handle the axial drilling on a round workpiece no matter how long the workpiece is. If you're worrying about the stability of the DJ3, you can always clamp it. For square workpieces, bias and axial drilling is also easily done with DJ3. Spheres from 8mm up to 60mm in diameter are also easily drilled with the DJ3. These functions, which would have been nearly impossible on a drill press, are now easily achievable by this design of the V-jaws. Using the green 45-degree miter jaws, you can reinforce any miter joint with dowels. When used in conjunction with the adjustable jaws, you'll be able to precisely and securely position the hole as close to the inner face as possible. This will give you the ability to drill as deep of a hole as possible on the inside face, while not drilling all the way through the stock. When using the DJ3 with the long accessory jaws, drilling holes at any angle up to 45 degrees becomes extremely easy. The thoughtful addition of the indexing pins make it easier to adjust and align both jaws to be planar. Now it's time for you to try the DJ3 drilling jig.